Ganun. Ay. Yan, i-grip it like that lang. Mura lang to guys. Pero super nice ang quality niya pa rin. Parang bago. Oh. Wow. So, lalabas muna yung camera talaga. Ang laki ng screen niya. That's what I love about it. So, ito yung mga memory card. Cookie. Wow. Meet my dog, guys. His name is Cookie. And he is 7 years old. And ito humubuntong hininga. Smells good. He smells better than me. I haven't taken a bath yet, so smells better. Still acts like a baby. He's a big baby. Super cute. He's old, but he looks like a kid, like a pup. Hi. Not sleeping. He wants to be with our mom. Ayan siya sa akin. There's mom, oh. Vlog siya kasi si mommy. Cute siya, no? Ay, suplado. Where do you wanna go? Ay, sino nga lang itsura mo? So, here I have cheeseburger steak. Okay.
Sabi rin ng girlfriend ko. Ang laki daw ng bunganga ko pag kumakain. Ang sarap ko rin daw kumain minsan ng yung mga small snacks, mga finger snacks. Lalo na yung fries. Kasi favorite ko yung fries. Oh. Shoot, I don't have water. I don't have warm water. I can't drink cold water, guys. I can't drink cold water kasi my tonsillitis is still not fully recovered, still not healed. I'm trying to thaw the water. Thaw. I still have 30 minutes until Tofi is done with the grooming. So for my birthday, I'm gonna spend it with my girlfriend. Pupunta ako sa hometown niya. Papasyal niya ako doon kasi matagal ko nang gustong magpasyal doon. Okay! So we're gonna drive around and I'm gonna be adjusting the chair lang. All set. So we're gonna drive around. Remove natin yung hazard. Oops. Wait. Seatbelt, guys. Safety first. I'm really trying to enjoy vlogging right now. I'm trying to not to talk too much kasi yung tonsillitis ko hindi pa fully healed, pero sana magaling na siya tomorrow. I can't go out. It's traffic. I'm gonna take a U-turn. Hindi ako makakaikot. It's traffic here. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I just did. Cousin dog. We've parked the car. Oh, he's done na! Yay! Tofi's done na. Parang mambaho dito. Ang daming dumadaan. Please, so I can baba na. Okay, hey guys! So, tayo ay mag-drive around. Medyo tinotopak ako today. Sinama ko yung dog ko. He's right here with me. Nandito siya sa tabi ko, sa passenger seat. Bakit naririnig ko yung brake? Is that a good sign? I'm probably hearing the brake kasi nakabukas yung window. Hindi ko alam kung dapat bang hindi ko sinuot yung mic kasi naka-aircon eh. Pero sana naririnig mo baba natin yung aircon kasi baka nilalamig ang ating baby boy. Papasyal kami ng aking dogo. Hindi ko alam saan kami papasyal pero probably somewhere. Itong isang to hindi tumitingin ng side mirror. Guys, I have a lot of road rage in the car, okay? When I'm not at my best, I don't drive talaga. Kung ano man yun, sana hindi ko natamaan. Parang may nahulog na LED lights or something. I really don't know what that is. Pero sana man lang kinuha na nila kasi it's blocking the road. Diyos ko po, sobrang alikabok naman ng ano natin for today, ng ating likod. Shit! May baka! Ito yung ayaw na ayaw ko, guys. May baka. Super daming baka. Ayoko ng baka sa daan kasi nakaka-distract siya. Feeling ko baka accidentally matamaan ko sila. Yan. Ito siya, guys. So, if you wanna see my dog, there he is. Cookie! Siya ang bunso, hindi yung kapatid kong bunso talaga. So, tatlo na kami. Hindi na kami dalawa lang. Uy, kala niya bababa kami. We're not gonna go down. Bumuntong hininga siya. Sorry Sorry, di tayo bababa Sorry. What? Go back na to your seat. What do you think we should order, Cooks?
Naawa ako. May panukli kaya si Kuya. Hello po. May panukli kayo, Kuya?
Ng
500.
alin po ni mo po pastillas?
Yung, ano yung tatlo for 100?
Pastillas.
Ay, yan. O, sige. Thank you. Bibili lang tayo ng fries and
Mashed potatoes.
Good afternoon po. Can I take your order po?
hello, isang ano lang, large fries, tsaka isang mashed potato.
Ano pa po?
Yun lang, tsaka water.
Bottled water po. 197 per kilo po.
Okay, thank you. Oh.
Minura niya ako kasi nakaano na ako, nakanguso na ako. So, umaabante na ako paunti-unti. Tapos, nag-stop naman ako. Tapos, ito sa ate mo girl, kung saan saan nakatingin. So, nagulat siya. Yung kotse, nakaabante. That's your fault. Kung saan saan ka kasi nakatingin. Mumurahin mo pa ako. Anyway, diyan lang naman. Nya, nya, nya. Ay, may ito yung fries. May batang nakatingin. Naka-high naman ako.